Okay, this is class notes, sections 8.7b, problem number 4. So we're going to start problem number 4 by making Pascal's triangle again. And remember that because our exponent here is 4, we want to do to the fourth row. And also remember that the first row is called the 0 row. So our Pascal's triangle is going to be a 1, and then a 1, 1, and a 1, 2, 1, and a 1, 3, 3, 1. And a 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So that first row is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the row that I need. So I'm going to highlight that because that's going to give me part of my next step. All right, now I'm going to expand x plus 2y. So this is going to be long, so I'm going to start it over here at the left. So I start with the first number off of Pascal's triangle, which is 1. So I put 1 times. Now I pick up the first term of the binomial. The first term of the binomial is the x. So I'm picking up the x. I put that in parentheses, and it is to the fourth power, and the fourth power comes from the exponent. So that's to the fourth power. All right, now I pick up the second term, and the second term in this problem is the positive 2y, so the 2y is what I'm going to pick up. So I've got 1 from Pascal's triangle, x to the fourth power times 2y. Now this is to the 0 power, because the 4 and the 0 have to add up to 4. Now I'm going to do it a little different than I did if you watch example 3. My next number comes off of Pascal's triangle, and that's going to be the 4 from Pascal's triangle. So this is a 4. And then I'm going to put my x. I'm going to leave room for my exponent. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. And then I'm going to put my 2y. Then I'm going to come back and do the exponent last. All right, then I need plus, and the number off of Pascal's triangle, which is 6 times x, and then 2y. Plus, next number on Pascal's triangle is a 4, and then I need my x and my 2y. Plus, and the last number on Pascal's triangle is a 1 times my x and my 2y. All right, now the exponents. Since this x was a 4, it goes down 1, so this one's a 3, this is a 2, this is a 1, and this is a 0. So the first term, the exponents go down 1. Now, for the second term, the exponents also go down. Instead of going down 1, they go up 1. So 0 goes to a 1, 1 up to 2, 2 up to 3, and 3 up to 4. And again, notice that if you add the exponents, 4 and 0 is 4, 3 and 1 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4, 1 and 3 is 4, and 0 and 4 is 3. All right, so there it is. Now we've got to do our math. So for the first term, I've got 1 times x to the fourth times anything raised to the 0 power is a 1. So that's a 1 there. So we have 1 times x to the fourth times 1, which gives me x to the fourth. And I'm writing the answer now. So I'm going to put it up here. So my first term is x to the fourth power. All right, let's go to the second term. My second term is 4 times x to the third power times 2y to the first power. Well, 2y to the first power is 2y, and 2y times 4 is 8y. So my second term is plus 8x to the third power y. All right, my next term, that's 6 times x squared times 2y squared. Well, 2y squared is 2y times 2y, which is 4y squared, and 4 times 6 is 24. So I get plus 24 x squared y squared. All right, my next term, these are kind of long, so I'm kind of putting them down underneath each other. My next term, I'm ready for my 4 times x to the first power, times 2y cubed. So 2y times 2y times 2y. Well, that's 8y to the third power, but then I have to multiply it by 4, which gives me 32. So I've got 32x and then y to the third power, and then plus 1 times x to the 0 power times 2y to the 4th power, and 2y times 2y times 2y is 16y to the 4th power, and 16y to the 4th power, and there's the answer. So just checking myself, notice my exponents. 4, 3, and 1 is 4, 2 and 2 is a 4, 1 and 3 is a 4, and 4. So I know all my exponents are correct.